Welcome to Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Today we are going to discuss content marketing. What is content marketing? Content marketing is the process of planning, creating, distributing, sharing, and publishing content via channels such as social media, blogs, websites, podcasts, apps, press releases, print publications, and more. The goal is to reach your target audience and increase brand awareness, sales, engagement, and loyalty. Why is content marketing important? Educate your leads and prospects about the products and services you offer. Boost conversions. Build relationships between your customers and business that result in increased loyalty. Show your audience how your products and services solve their challenges. Create a sense of community around your brand. Now let's look at the various types of content marketing. Types of content marketing. There are many types of content marketing that you may choose to incorporate in your strategy. Here are some of the most common. Social media content marketing. With over 3.6 billion global social media users, it's easy to understand why so many businesses invest in social media marketing. There are a number of platforms, for example, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Snapchat, to work with, and several ways you can create and share content on each of them. Example, photos, live videos, pre-recorded videos, stories. Infographic content marketing. Infographics display content, information, and data in an easy-to-understand, graphic format. With a mix of simple wording, short statements, and clear images, infographics are a great way to effectively communicate your content. They work well if you are trying to distill an educational and/or complex topic down so all audience members can understand it. Blog content marketing. Blogs are a powerful type of inbound content and allow for a lot of creativity in terms of their purpose and topic. With a blog, you can do things like promote other internal and external content and blog articles via links, add social share buttons, and incorporate product information. Podcast content marketing. A 2020 survey found that 49% of 12 to 32-year-olds in the US had listened to a podcast within the last month, with an average of 6 listening hours a week. For this reason, many businesses and media outlets have begun creating and sharing their own podcasts. Podcasts allow for a lot of creativity as they can be about any topic of choice. Additionally, you determine other factors related to the podcast, such as cadence of episodes, who's on the podcast, where you advertise the podcast, and how long episodes are. Video content marketing. According to Visor research, 69% of consumers say they prefer to learn about a brand's product or service through video. Additionally, video marketing can boost conversions, improve ROI, and help you build relationships with audience members. You may choose to share your video content on social media platforms, landing pages, or on a co-marketer's website. Paid ad content marketing. Paid ads can help you reach a broad audience and allow you to position yourself in all of the places you want to be seen. Paid ads are especially beneficial when paired with inbound marketing. There are many places you can share paid ads, including on social media, landing pages, banners, and sponsored content. If you want to know more details and improve your content marketing, then why are you waiting? Join the Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Our training classes are online or offline. We are the #1 digital marketing institute in India. Our courses are certified by top university in India. We are offering 3 types of certified diploma programs in digital marketing. Digital Marketing Certification Program. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design UI and UX. Our training program during 6 months. First 3 months we teach about the course completely and practically. Next 3 months arrange an internship and live projects in top MNC companies. End of 3 months internship, you will get 3 months internship experience certificate in top MNC companies. We offers additional career support services for you. There are resume building, portfolio building, interview questions and answers, personality development, soft skills training, LinkedIn profile building, communication skills training, mock interviews, one-on-one mentorship, job portal, career counseling, and dedicated placement offers. Our alumni placed in top MNC companies. We have 3,000 alumni and 11,000 hiring partners. We have 5 branches in Asia: Singapore, Dubai, Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore,